Woody plant proliferation in grasslands issue has been around for quite a long time. If you look at that old literature, people there started talking about the shrubs seem to be making inroads into grasslands. They had a premonition that this could become a problem, and indeed by the 1930s and 40s it was a problem. South America, Australia, Africa, for example, all the major continents have this woody plant encroachment phenomena that have been happening over the last 100 years.
The drones allow us to characterize the vegetation cover, grass cover versus woody cover. But even with the high resolution that we can get from this camera, we can't always necessarily distinguish what are native species versus non-native species.
It's 2.8 meters.
And so the field data allows us to characterize species composition, native and non-native. That provides us with enough information that when we translate to the drone, we can get landscape scale estimates 50 to 100 acres. Longer term then, we would hope that this data could help inform a model that we can then bring to ranchers.
And that's one of the tools we're trying to develop. So we say, look at an area or a region and say, well, what's the potential of that land to go from its current woody cover to its maximum potential? And then we can start understanding maybe where to target resources and where to target what kind of management techniques to maybe prevent that potential from being realized. It's the old, an ounce of prevention's worth a pound of cure. We are far better off preventing woody plant encroachment than we are trying to deal with it once it's happened. Conservation of grasslands as an ecosystem type is potentially a worthy goal. So it's not just about increasing forage production, but it's also about maintaining grassland diversity and biodiversity. It's maintaining habitat for game and non-game wildlife. It's about carbon sequestration. It's about potentially groundwater recharge and stream flow, and a whole variety of ecosystem services. But brush management treatments, they can be prohibitively expensive. It shouldn't be the responsibility of that landowner and that rancher. The public needs to say, we're willing to support efforts that will get us these benefits that we all need and enjoy.